2012 Corvette Grand Sport 3LT package. Just installed Dynamat Extreme and Dynaliner, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. 1/4 inch in the front where all the trim pieces are, and then 1/2 inch in the back. I made a video kind of documenting the whole thing, showing kind of the knock test, see how loud it is as we're actually doing it. I also bought one of these little doctor meter things to record sound decibel level, so you can see right there. So I got some before and afters so you can actually see number wise what the change is. Overall it's a lot quieter in here. It's not luxury car quiet, but it's definitely better than what it was. It's 100% coated front to back. Under the carpet there's Dynamat everywhere, and then there's Dynaliner. We put it along the tunnel here, under the console, and then behind the seats, and then the 1/2 inch sets on this top ridge and then covers the back trunk area. So anyway, we'll get into the video here. For the test footage there. Hopefully you kind of got to see before and after with the sound levels, as well as the little numbers off the little sound level meter. But overall, as far as like in person, it definitely made a difference. It filters out a lot of the road noise, high-pitched noises, stuff like that. I had a little bit of kind of rattle noise from behind the seats. You can kind of hear that at the knocking part. It would kind of vibrate noises in there. That's all gone. The exhaust actually sounds a little bit louder now. I don't know if that's just because it's filtering out all the other noises, but it's definitely not annoying or anything like that. For me, it's well worth it. I daily drive this car, so to have it a little bit more quiet in here definitely helps out. As far as the heat buildup, I haven't really gone on too far of a drive so far, so I don't really know if it made a difference. Before, I had a lot of heat buildup here in the cup holders, and then in this console area. My phone actually overheated in here one time on a long trip, so hopefully that'll help correct all that. As far as installing, took a lot longer than I thought. It took me 2 hours to take out the interior, and then it probably took about 8 to 10 hours to lay the Dynamat with 100% coverage. The big areas on the floor and in the back were pretty easy, but once you got into like the center console up here and all the wheel wells, there's a bunch of hidden wires along the side and kind of all through here that you have to go around, so that took some time to cut all the small pieces and get those all stuck down with the roller and everything. You could probably, you know, get away with doing it a little bit faster, but I took my time, did it right. The liner up here, I used 1/4 inch. It didn't interfere with the console or anything when I put it back together. Everything still functions 100%. The seats move forward without interference, all that good stuff. I put the 1/2 inch liner up here on the ridge, and then back here on the floor. The carpet kind of sticks up a little bit higher than it used to, but it doesn't interfere with any of that stuff. The top still fits in fine back there. The little 2 compartments in the back still function 100%. But other than that, it was, you know, time consuming, but it was pretty easy to do. As far as overall cost, I spent about $460 for the whole kit, which was 2 of the big bulk packs for Dynamat, and then the 1 pack of the 1/4 inch liner and 1 pack of the 1/2 inch liner for the back. Overall, I think it was worth it. Like I said, I daily drive this car, so anything to make it a little bit more comfortable on road trips and stuff like that will definitely help. But anyway, hope the video helped kind of make up your mind if you're looking at it, but other than that, I recommend it. Seems like a good product so far. Definitely made a difference in my car.